Welcome to Reason Hosting. Are you ready to elevate your WordPress website? We're here to help you navigate the dynamic world of SEO with ease. Let's start by improving your page load speed. A fast website not only keeps visitors from bouncing away, but it also boosts your rankings. Next, ensure your site is mobile friendly. Think of a responsive design like having a welcoming front porch for everyone to enjoy. Craft clear and compelling headlines that draw people in. Your headline should be like a friendly signpost, guiding visitors to what they need. Don't forget optimized meta tags. These are your website's first impression in search results. And, of course, keyword-rich content. This attracts the right audience and helps search engines notice you. Lastly, sprinkle on effective calls to action. A well-placed CTA is like a gentle nudge, encouraging visitors to take the next step. So, if you're ready to dive deeper into these strategies, subscribe now. Let's transform your online presence together.